Good morning, dear students. My name is Harendra Tiwari from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. In this video, I am going to explain about the mechanism of electrophilic substitution reactions. In previous video, we had discussed about that the electrophilic substitution reactions given by the benzene molecules. This reaction is not given by only the benzene molecules. All those aromatic hydrocarbons compounds we know all are giving the electrophilic substitution reactions. The aromatic compounds, this is the specific properties of the aromatic compounds. They do prefer to give the electrophilic substitution reactions instead of addition reactions. Generally, as we know that addition reactions takes place when the compounds are double bond or triple bonds. But in case of aromatic hydrocarbons, these compounds are possess the double bonds. They have the pi electrons, but they do prefer to give the electrophilic substitution reactions. In the previous class, we had already discussed about there are some types of the electrophilic substitution reactions by taking the example of benzene, for just such as the nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, alkylation and acylation. Now I am going to just introduce you how these nitration takes place, how the sulfonation takes place, how halogenation takes place, how alkylation takes place, how the acylation takes place, means what are the electrophilic substitution reactions takes place that does not take place in the single steps. So mechanism of electrophilic substitution reactions, it illustrates us how a benzene participate in a electrophilic substitution reaction and give a respective product. So there are three steps. The step first is that formation of an electrophile. Step second is attack of electrophile on aromatic hydrocarbon compounds or benzene. We can say benzene, or you can say arenes. Benzene is the example here we have taken to explain and understand this phenomenon. And the third step is that removal of proton H plus ion. So every electrophilic substitution reactions involved these three steps process, and the explanation and understanding of these three processes we call the mechanism of electrophilic substitution reactions. So let us understand how these three steps takes place. That is, I am going to explain by the with the help of one electrophilic substitution example. This is the nitration of benzene. So now see here, nitration of benzene plus concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4. The temperature range we need to maintain 323 to 333 Kelvin. Yesterday video just I explained this reactions. Here the formation of NO2 plus water. This is nitrobenzene. Here the hydrogen is present. This hydrogen is replaced by NO2 group, and then benzene can get converted into nitrobenzene. Now, what are the mechanism involved with this reaction? Mechanism. So when we discuss about the mechanism, just I told you, the electrophilic substitution reactions carried out in the 3 different steps. The first step is formation of an electrophile. As we know that electrophiles are electron defect species. So in the nitration process, the electrophile is formed. The name of the electrophile is NO2 plus. We call it the nitronium ion. Nitronium ion. Now, the first step, in the first step, H and double bond I write here O, then H. Plus HOS H. So this, now here the one special thing is that H2SO4 act as a acid and HNO3 will act as base. So protonation of this oxygen after the loss of the hydrogen from H2SO4. So this bonded electron will migrate towards the oxygen atom. So now we will get the species. One is the NO2 plus, this called the nitronium ion, plus HSO4 minus, and plus water. When this hydrogen get protonated, then from here it will be separate away or remove off as a water. So water is formed there. Now the second step is that attack of electrophile NO2 plus on benzene ring. So now see how this attack takes place. This is our benzene structure plus NO2 plus here. Let us see this bond, double bond. Now see, benzene is the pi electron system. These pi electrons are delocalized, so it is a good nucleophile. Now this electron will migrate towards the nitrogen atoms. This process we call the attack of electrophile. So this bonded electron, pi electron, migrate towards the nitrogen atoms, and here between benzene and nitrogen, this carbon and nitrogen, a bond will form in such a manner, NO2. Now this bond is breaks from here. So when these electrons migrated towards the nitrogen atoms, then this both electrons are migrated, but this carbon has no any effect because this electron remain with this, but this carbon has the effect because this electron belong to this carbon. It migrated towards the nitrogen. As a result, at this carbon a positive charge is appear. So now we have this carbocation, here hydrogen is present. Now you observe closely, this compound is aromatic, but this is a non-aromatic. Because of that, this formation of this carbocations, this carbon is sp3 hybridized, and it is remains as a sp3 hybridized. So now here loss of aromaticity leads to the system unstable, but it is somewhat stable due to the conjugation. So this pi sigma positive charge, pi sigma positive charge. So little conjugation takes place. This some carbon atoms are participating in conjugation. We can write the conjugating structure of the benzene or this compound this intermediate such as NO2H. Now this bond will migrate between this carbon atom in such way, and here the positive charge will appear. The next conjugating structure we can write in such a way. Now this will migrate between this carbon atom and the positive charge will appear at this carbon atom NO2H, and a bond we will show in such way. Now there is no other resonating structures is possible. So this process we call the resonance stabilized. This process is known as resonance stabilized. We can write the resonating hybrid resonating structure of this complex in such way. This is the positive charge cation NO2H. This is the hybrid structure we call this. We call this the arene carbocation, or we call it sigma complex intermediate. So this is the intermediate of these reactions. Now third step is that removal of H plus ion, that we call the proton. So now see, we have H and O2, and such as the structure is that here positive charge, removal of protons. You see here HSO4 is present, right? So this HSO4 will act as to remove the hydrogen as a H plus. So here HSO4 minus, this hydrogen will migrate from here, means this electron will migrate to the hydrogen atoms and take the hydrogen atom as a proton. So now this bond will migrate between this carbon atom, the one electron of hydrogen and one electron of this carbon atom. So this again shifted to between this carbon atom. Now we get the product, nitrated product of such as NO2. We call it the nitrobenzene plus H2SO4. So now see here H2SO4 we get at the end of the reactions. So H2SO4 play its role as a catalyst. The involvement of H2SO4, it is act as a catalyst. But here the NO2 we get, right, and water we get. So when we add the overall reactions, we will get the two product, nitrobenzene and water. HSO4 is generated in the first step, that again converted into H2SO4 by the removal of, or by taking the hydrogen as H plus ion. So this is the whole about mechanism of these reactions. Now you observe these reactions completed into overall 3 steps. The first is the formation of an electrophile, that is nitronium ion formed. Then nitronium ions form in the process I have shown here. Then again this nitronium ion attack at the benzene rings and give an intermediate. This intermediate we call that sigma complex or arene carbocation. This is the resonance hybrid structure, and this is all the resonating structures. Now the loss of hydrogen by the HSO4 minus ion means loss of hydrogen from this ring from sigma complex to achieve the aromaticity. Why this complex loses its hydrogen atoms? It want to be again converted into aromatic compounds. Because of that, this means loss of aromaticity, make it more unstable. Again it want to get the aromatic character. That's why it loses its hydrogen as a proton to the HSO4 minus. Then we get the final product nitrobenzene. So this reactions takes place in 3 different steps. Now you have noted down it. I will explain the next sulfonation of benzene. Now our next example is the sulfonation of benzene. Sulfonation of benzene. Means benzene get converted into benzene sulfonic acid, benzene plus concentrated H2SO4. This process takes place either in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 or in the presence of oleum, that is mixture of H2SO4 and sulfur trioxide. It gives SO3H plus water on heating. Now mechanism of these reactions, the same as the first step is formation of an electrophile. So here the sulfur trioxide is act as an electrophile that will be generated by the 2 molecule of H2SO4. It gives SO3 plus H3O plus or plus HSO4 minus. Now the second step is that attack of electrophile on benzene ring. So now see, benzene plus SOO. It is a special type of electrophile. It is commonly known as ambident electrophile. Since this pi electrons is migrated towards the oxygen, as a result, oxygen get the negative charge and this sulfur get the positive charge. Now this pi electron will migrate and towards the sulfur atoms. So we call this process is the attack of electrophile at the benzene ring, and we get the such a complex intermediate. This pi electron will migrate, so positive charge will appear at this carbon atom in such way, and here hydrogen is present and SO3 minus will get attached here because this bond migrated towards oxygen. Now we can write the resonating structure of this complex. This is commonly known as sigma complex or arene carbocation. Now this bond will migrate between this carbon atom and the positive charge will appear here. Positive charge appear here and it forms another resonating structure we can write. Then another one resonating structure is more possible, same as the previous one. This bond will migrate between this carbon atom and the resonating structure we can write such as plus HSO3 minus. Then we can write the resonating hybrid structure. So our resonating hybrid structure is somewhat like this, HSO3 minus. Now this we call resonance stabilization, and this is the hybrid structure, resonant hybrid structure, and it is known as sigma complex. So this intermediate we call the sigma complex. Now the third step is that removal of H plus ion, or we can say that loss of proton. Both statement is similar, there is no difference. Now see here, hydrogen SO3 minus and this is plus charge hydrogen and SO3 minus, plus the hydrogen will lose by HSO4 minus n. Means here this proton will migrate, or this sigma complex intermediate loses its proton with the help of HSO4 minus. HSO4 minus will take the electron, HSO4 minus now will attack at this hydrogen atoms. Then hydrogen atom will migrate and get attached to HSO4, and this bond now will again shifted between the carbon and hydrogen atoms. So this non-aromatic compounds now again achieve its aromaticity and give such a compound that we SO3 minus. This is called the benzene sulfonic sulfonic ion. Now will benzene sulfonic ion will get protonated by H3O plus and get converted into benzene sulfonic ion. So next step we can write fourth step, protonation of benzene sulfonic acid, sulfonic ion, benzene sulfonic ion. This is, so the now question is from where it get protonated. So now see here, hydrogen, this is a H3O plus ion, hydronium ion we call it, hydronium ion, which is generated at the same time of the generation of the electrophile. Now this hydrogen will migrate from here and this electron again restored to the towards the oxygen atom. Now we get that over all our product, the product we call benzene sulfonic acid, SO3H plus water, benzene sulfonic acid. So in such way benzene get converted into benzene sulfonic acid and water, benzene sulfonic acid. So this is overall the mechanism of the formation of benzene sulfonic acid from the benzene with the action of concentrated H2SO4. So now see here H2SO4, I forget to write here. So now see in this process there is involvement of only one molecule of H2SO4. Here we have taken two molecules of H2SO4, but one molecule of H2SO4 is regenerated during the reactions. So we got the one molecule of H2SO4 again. So only the involvement of one molecule of H2SO4 reactions in this process. So now today in this video I explained that the mechanism of the electrophilic substitution reactions by taking the example of the nitration of benzene and sulfonation of benzene. We had discussed that the electrophilic substitution reactions carried out into three different steps. First, formation of an electrophile, attack of electrophile and removal of H plus ion. If you look that H plus ion is also like a electrophile, right? Like electrophile, but it is not considered electrophile. जब H plus ion will be with H3O plus hydronium ion, then we call the electrophile. So thank you. At last I tell you, thank you, wish you all the best. Do study. Thank you.